So this is the second hands-on video of the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and here's the thing, this phone looks amazing from the front and it has a curved display, but it's not that curved like the S8, S9 Plus from Samsung. It's not that curved, but it's kind of curvy like the S21 Ultra, which will not make that much of difference in day-to-day usage. Now here's the thing, even though we can see the photos and photo samples, but don't take this as like a final result because this is still a pre-production unit. And according to the leaker, the photos looks like typical Pixel quality, like high contrast, great sharpness, details, amazing photos. But this is still a pre-production unit. Now Google has been promoting its upcoming phones like crazy. We all know it will be powered by Google's own custom SoC, which according to past leaks is developed in collaboration with Samsung using its own 5nm process node. But don't think it will be identical to most of the Android flagship chip. Now it will feature a totally different configuration, a 2+2+4 configuration rather than a competitor's typical configuration 1+3+4. Now as for the primary core, instead of adopting one ARM's Cortex X2 core, Google has picked two Cortex X1 core from last year clocked at 2.8 GHz. Now there are two performance cores clocked at 2.25 GHz and 4 high-efficiency cores clocked at 1.8 GHz. Now we have already seen the chip's performance on Geekbench, but this time it managed to score 1034 points in single-core test and 2756 in the multi-core test. That's a huge improvement over the last result, and the last result was like this. Now for reference, the current flagship chip Snapdragon 888 usually has 3500 points in multi-core tests. But the single core score of Tensor SoC is slightly behind Snapdragon 888. But then again, you can't take this exact score for granted, because the final variant might have better performance through better optimization or things like that. Or it might just get throttled. Who knows? Now, if you don't know about the specs, the Pixel 6 will feature a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and the RAM and storage configurations are like this: 8GB of RAM, 128GB of base storage option. At the back, there will be a 50MP main camera sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle snapper, and an in-display fingerprint scanner as well. As for the battery, it will feature a 4614 mAh battery cell. The Pixel 6 Pro on the other hand will feature a 6.7-inch display with 1440p resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. Now the phone will also add a third 48MP telephoto camera on top of the Pixel 6 camera module, and it will be a telephoto camera which supports 4x optical zoom. But this phone will feature a 5000 mAh battery, the largest battery cell ever seen inside a Pixel phone to date. Are you really excited about the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone, joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.